Hi! Every Chinese New Year, something happens which makes parents go, ugh. So if you're a parent, the good thing is you can tell your children to do the cleaning. Make your children work for the hongbao. Hey, here's a squeegee. Clean the windows, okay? Please, thank you, ta. It's something we say in New Zealand. Ta means thanks. Ta, thanks.
Get the squeegee and clean the windows, please.
Get the duster and dust everywhere. Please, thank you, ta.
Get the duster and dust everywhere, please.
Get a damp cloth and wipe down the table. Please, thank you, ta.
Get a damp cloth and wipe down the table, please.
Get the broom and dustpan and sweep the floor. Please, thank you, ta.
Get the broom and dustpan and sweep the floor, please.
Get the mop and bucket and mop the floor. Please, thank you, ta.
Get the mop and bucket and mop the floor, please.
So, today's key words are squeegee, duster, cloth, dustpan, broom, mop, and bucket. If you like the video, of course, thumbs up and share. Till next time, bye.